Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko. So today we're gonna be having a update on MMAT or metamaterials. So I will be giving you my technical analysis, what is my way of viewing metamaterial. Also, I will be giving you my predictions, and we're gonna be talking about some facts, like for example the T30, the T33, and the T35. I mean, these are the time periods and why a lot of the people, etc. and etc. Why a lot of the people are talking about that a lot of movement will be happening in mid-August, and that they think that it is a good week for a possible squeeze. We will see about what will be happening with everything like that, so make sure to stick to the end of the video and let's just get straight into it, okay? So, first of all, just like, just like and subscribe, and let's just get straight into it, okay? So, MMAT materials. Yesterday closed the price of right around, no, I mean, today we are Monday, okay? We are Monday. And yesterday the market was not open. MMAT is setting a price at right around 350. We were down like 4 cents, or approximately 1.13%. Okay, and like what will be happening at the start of the actual, like, on the market open? Nobody knows that. I mean, I cannot tame the market, but I think that I have a decent understanding that the price will be up, because on the start, okay, when the market opens at 9 a.m. I don't know what your time zone is, but when it opens at 9 a.m. the price, I think that it will go up and the volatility will be insane. Okay, but this is just at the start. About what will be happening for the long term, I absolutely think that we need to fill this gap right here. Okay, so I will be kind of marking the thing up. Somewhere in the future, this gap will be will get filled. Trust me, okay, this will get filled. Why is that? Because that's how the stock market works. That's how the markets work. So any gaps that we have right around there, I mean, we never did cover that thing up, but this is sitting at from 1373 to right around 1192. Okay, that's where I think that we are going to be filling the thing up. And what's happening? Every day also we are getting a news, like sneak peeks into the Samsung Fold 3. I don't know if that's how it's gonna be called, but we are getting some sneak peeks. I know I had a picture that I saw about that. Is that true? I don't know, but we will see what will be happening that. But let's just start about this. So I also read a lot of people saying that the mid-August is a good week for a possible squeeze, right? So due to the fact of the T33 and the T35. But what is your proof that these dates mean and like anything? Okay, do we know how many or TRCH FTD shares or MMFT FTD MMATF FTD shares that they have to cover? We don't know that. Are we sure they didn't cover them before the merger? And are we sure that they didn't just transfer over and they are fine now? I see the Ortex data and it is looking like promising, but what is our real concern, evidence of how many TRCH and MMATF FTDs that T33 and T35 will be bought from the market? We don't know that, but I'm just trying to get some grasp on this, because I know a lot of the people are here for the long play, but also know a lot of people are here for a possible short squeeze. Either you're in for the short squeeze or for the long term, like this is a win-win situation. Okay, all we need to do is just stay patient. But and one person just said right there, so from what I've been seeing in a proper perfect like world where all investors are treated equally and given the same tools to invest, but of course not the same amount of money, but the same tools to invest, then T35 will be when an average investor's short must be covered to deal with the payout of the preferred share. Even with no value, it still exists and therefore needs to be provided to the appropriate shareholder. Now, with that said, our investing world is not fair, okay, proper or perfect. There is no way to know if those specific shorts have or have not been covered. They could have covered or causing green candles and then like reshorted and causing those red dips, okay, over the course of July, or they could still be sitting on, or we can like still be sitting on them. They could also find a loopholes with trading the shorts to others and like like resetting the clock on their like leniency window for when the shorts need to be like returned. They could also do a whole list of other things that we retail traders or investors won't know about due to the being hidden behind the closed doors. All in all, we won't know what will happen like regarding the squeeze in August. If the August 10 report is a huge catalyst, we could see some big green movement, which could lead to margin calls and net us a squeeze. But we will see what will be happening with that. And if it does not happen, that does not mean that you should get out of the stock. Okay. Also, either way, it's just not known because they know how to hide things that shouldn't be hidden. What is nice to know is that the shorting has slowed. We went from weeks of red to one again of again green and red last week with very little like weekly movement. Okay, we even ended the week overall as a green. So as you can see right here on the weekly chart, this was green. Okay, we were green like 0.29%, but we still ended the week green. This could be due to a massive quantities of shorts already being done and a shift in perception for this company. Big institutions are investing now, or a squeeze could be on the way, and they've realized that any more shorting will just make it worse. We will see what will be happening yet. I'm pretty like not nervous, but I'm pretty excited for that date. It is like today we're 2nd of August, we are Monday, so it will be like 8 days from now, 1 week, and yeah, overall there's like 1 week and basically 8 trading days. We will see what will be happening with that. I'm pretty happy about that, but I don't have time to dig up all of these like settings for this, but the answer is yes, they have to cover all of the FTDs and shorts in TRCH due to the QSIP change. There were 14 plus million in the 2 days prior to the merger, but also other prior to that. I think one on Ortex, they show some on the MMAT page now, but not the others you can find on the MMAT page and then under the TRCH old. Okay, my thinking is that they will start to cover some of those late this week and continue to short leather us early in this week, but they only have less than 2 million shares left to borrow. Your utilization is over 80% less. Wait. Your utilization is over 80% less. Look at RTX. Okay, I also believe that the part of the extended delay in transitioning was due to them having to track everything down due to the special dividend, which is also another reason they have to cover. If this doesn't happen, then I believe we all have a serious reason to call a full investigation from the SEC. If this is allowed to happen to us and no one else, then the market we know is dead. There is a lot of going on behind the curtains, and that needs to be exposed, and something has to be done about it. Okay, we are all a little tired of this continuing manipulation of the stock. I watched the order book all day, and the spoofing, which is illegal, goes on all day long. It is easy to spot, but hard to enforce because it is all but impossible to determine how is it going, okay, and how is it doing it. The criminal acts that go on all day every day in the AMC, GME, Clove, and laundry list of others is beyond the pole. We will see what will happen with that, guys, and this is basically for today's episode about MMAT. Let me know what are your thoughts about that, and peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day. And make sure to like, subscribe, because I'm sure going to be keeping you updated, and if anything new happens with MMAT, I'm sure going to be covering that up, and this is the channel where you want to go and watch the episode of MMAT. Okay, so peace out, guys, and have a great day for the rest of your day.